What is the Snapchat friend limit? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnath and today I'll explain and guide you what this Snapchat friend limit is. Now if you're having trouble adding friends, if you're trying to add friend and it says the Snapchat friend limit reached and you're not being able to add any more friends, it simply means that your limit is reached on Snapchat. Now if you're having trouble adding friends, first things first, you want to make sure you are on a strong internet connection. You can try switching between your networks, and if you aren't being able to search someone on your search bar there, you want to simply make sure you have entered in their username correctly. However, if you're not being able to add at all and it says limit reached, then it simply means that you have reached your limit. Now you'll have to keep in mind that Snapchat accounts are limited to having 6,000 friends at a time. So if you have already reached that limit, then you won't be able to add any more friends. However, there is no any limit to how many people can add you. So if others sends you the add request and if you can accept it, if you ask others to add you friend, and you'll be able to accept it. So the Snapchat friend limit is 6,000. Once you have reached that limit, you won't be able to add any more friends, but you'll be able to accept their add request or accept their friend request on Snapchat. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.